What's up, y'all? I got a mail call here, so let me cut into this and see what we got from none other than my boy Not Too Dead. Oh, dude. Oh, this is awesome. All right. Well, first and foremost, hooked me up with, I got a Bando sticker and chip. There we go. So I got that. Next up, oh goodness, man. Well, next up, got some oversized paper clips. I don't know what handcuffs I can get into with those, but we're gonna have to try, aren't we? On top of that, hold on. We have a nice assortment here. Got some, got the Not Too Dead sticker there. We got some of the Clippy Helps You stickers. Look at that. There's some Pyro Panda. There's some more Pyro Panda. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Got a couple magnets. Sickness. A couple Shacklemen magnets. I've got some Not Too Dead cards. Ooh. This thing on the back, that's going to be good to take around places. And hold on. We got a little bit more. On top of that, we've got, ooh, I didn't see that. We got a Croatia sticker, that's badass. On top of that, we've got, now of course, any extras of anything I have will get shared around, which means some people are going to get, oh, look at that, dude. Look at that. The Not Too Dead Pyro Panda edition. I like that two-tone thing there. That's pretty bad. Ow. Missed that. Let's try with another one. There we go. And then one more thing. Scabam. Oh, dude, this is awesome. Bravo. Open is open. A Shacklemen flag. Oh, dude. You are the absolute best, man. Mr. Not Too Dead, still kicking. At Not Too Dead, co-founder of the Shacklemen Cuff Club. Yes, go follow him, check him out, give him some likes, give him some love. Say hi. Thank you very much, brother, dude. This is amazing. I actually really needed this today, and you came through. Peace out.